how does an LLC get accredited? So an LLC can be accredited through a couple different means. If all of the partners or equity owners in an LLC are accredited, the LLC itself is accredited. So if you and your spouse are the only ones on the cap table of an LLC and you meet the accredited requirements, which are here in the US, internationally in other jurisdictions, they're very different. But here domestically in the US, you need at least $1 million in your total net worth, excluding the equity in your primary residence, or you can qualify through income. And if you're single, you've made at least $200,000 a year for the past 2 years and you have tax returns for it. Or if you're married, you would have had to have made at least $3,000 for the last 2 years and have tax returns. If you can get your CPA or your accountant or your wealth manager to write you a letter that states you are accredited, then that also works as well. But again, you're going to need to meet that criteria that I just stated. So that's for the individual. The other thing that you can do as an LLC or a corporation to meet the accredited status is you have at least 5 million in assets. So the underlying beneficiaries of the LLC are accredited, or the LLC itself has at least 5 million in assets. That would also make you a qualified purchaser. As an individual, if you have at least 5 million net worth outside your primary residence, you would be a qualified purchaser. And then there's an AP. That's an acronym for something that escapes me right now. Basically, you have to be a large institution with at least $100 million, managing at least $100 million in order to be an AP. APs can contribute in kind into ETFs, but you have to be an AP or worth at least $100 million in order to be able to do that.